I know.
Oh, you are.
Hello, Toby.
Woman, sit.
You spoil me so.
You fill my heart.
Thank you.
At the door. And this time, who must be here? George.
Kofi.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
Been a long time, huh?
Yes. I tried to reach you, but to no avail.
Oh. Well, Amma and I took a romantic vacation for a while. Did you try reaching out to Kokui? She takes care of business in her absence.
No, I mean, I wanted to reach you guys directly.
Oh, okay.
Vacation, huh?
Mm-hmm.
How was it?
Oh, it was spectacular. Loving. Real. With the right person.
Don't mind Amma, she's just embellishing it. Come on, let's talk in my office. That is the business. Oh boy.
Okay.
I'll start him off, okay?
Before you go. Thanks for being so wise.
You make me wise.
Well, I'm glad you're doing okay.
Yeah, business is good. Business has been great. I'm so for doing that.
Water? Or you guys want something hot?
No, water is fine with me.
Me too.
That's fine.
That's cool.
Okay then. I'll leave you guys to it.
George, let me begin by apologizing for the delay. Amma and I have...
It's fine, don't worry about it.
That's okay. But I still believe that Amma has a very good case.
Why?
She's told me everything. No, nothing to worry about. Let bygones be bygones. We believe in full disclosure, but this is what I propose. Come clean. Do right by your wife, come clean, or leave her in the dark. Actually, there are three things here. We could end this arrangement and continue working purely on a consultancy level, or head on, plunge right deep into it, into the partnership in which you desire. Your choice.
Join the conversation today. Like, comment, and share.
Woman, for what reason did you wake me up from my slumber? Speak!
Busumuru. Atamanche. Togbe gan la fia ingbaji. Jakpata be de vi me hian ko. Mahuna Bibrim. Forgive my intrusion. But I need your help.
Chaka, Olaje, Oewale. You mean you've lost your power?
It's about a man. You can turn over now, Mr. Ghana. I can't seem to get him out of my mind.
You've allowed another person into your life. You've lost it.
I keep having recurring dreams about him.
Get deep behind me, Satan. You are having an encounter with a lion manifest as a man.
The deal is done. Kokui has done it. It is over. I dare you now. You're still not pan. What by force? I would tell you what. Ah, Kokui. Elia, me huele si for petenele. Ah, Kofi is mine.
The lion man that hunts you is strong. To fight him, you must be stronger. Arise!
But I don't want to fight him. I love him.
Love is war.
Yes, Amma.
Yes, Kokui. Oh, that's right. I took a bit of some time off. How's business?
Terrific. I'm even making sales online more than in the shop now.
Great. You're fully plugged in.
Yes.
You've gone global.
All thanks to you, Amma.
You're too kind.
But I want more. I want to be an online shop that sells clothing, accessories, etc.
Wow.
Yes. But when can I come in? I would like you to help me with this one as well, so everything can go on smoothly.
Okay. Just hold on a moment. Let me check my schedule. Okay. Friday is available, so you can come in on Friday. Okay?
Okay. Get me. Yeah, well, listen.
Brilliant set of proposals. I am particularly enthused about the idea of drying fruits for exports. The market is big and is growing. And we want you to run it, the whole project.
Well, madam...
I know my husband told you to consult only, but I want you to run it.
Yes, but...
Don't worry. I know. George told me all about it. And it's good he did, because I could sense some tension. Hi. Hello, Amma. You look amazing.
Thank you.
I love your outfit.
Thank you very much. I got it from a shop called Kente.
Oh, lovely. Amma, George told me all about the past, and if Kofi doesn't mind, I don't mind. We can't let coincidence spoil a mutually beneficial business relationship. I admire your strength, the both of you. You are ready to walk away from such a big deal on principle. That's why I feel safe working with you.
Wow, Lydia, I must say you're one damn good saleswoman.
That's my wife.
Plus, it's refreshing to know that we don't have to sneak around or lie to each other for nothing.
That's my kind of girl.
And it'll be terrible for business.
Bottom line, now that we got that out of the way, can we please?
You bet.
Wait. Stand up. And you sit, watch the cam, okay? And say cheese. Okay, say cheese.
Solutions,
I've been able to put 20 women together who will gather and process the shea butter to my specifications.
Wow. My sister, that is great.
Yes. I got back from the north yesterday with the last flight.
That's fantastic.
And you, that look on your face. What have you been up to?
Nothing. I've just been hard at work preparing for the battles ahead.
Other battles are what battles?
My sister, you take everything at face value. And yeah.
Hey, sister.
Yes. You don't even know what is happening underground. Listen, me, I will not sit down and let anybody take what is mine. I will fight for everything that is mine. Na dia no eye media me kona maji. Na nya media ma me peso a me di takashi meje.
What are you talking about?
Anyway, I have all my plans in place. So everything is set for the action ahead.
The key reasons why we settled on this project as the Harbinger are they are raw and accessible, raw and abundant materials for competitive prices. Say mangoes and pineapples to start with. The processing can be done at a minimal cost and the cost outlay low enough to fit your budget. It would even allow up to 50% of the funds invested in more secure instruments until they are needed. All of this has been outlined in the project paper. We have attached an action plan with details inside.
So what is the next step?
We draw up an arrangement stating the terms under which we want to engage.
Sharp. Thereafter, we'll talk about the business plan.
Now we are talking.
Sweetheart.
Yes.
The MOU.
Sure.
Sister, the customer will come and be complaining. Young man, also why are you playing game in the office? Do my D, and start working.
I still can't believe you're on this wild goose chase. The guy is somebody's husband, for Christ's sake.
Well, you don't know what I felt. It was mutual.
Mutual.
Eradina na nyankopo ne. Bonsam kraba bet na menyanko imu mopedo obi no kun finise mo dendin na rade yesu botutu mamae. Jamo from asam na reka kire me no. Stop the childish talk. You have the heart for him? Big deal. Get over it. Get over it, menyanko.
Well, that's where you have it all wrong. You must follow your heart sometimes. There is love.
Kokui, Jameladina Ria no. Jakrana Yansa bidid mama coming, Mama Yamamin Kakrad, Podebia, Yansa Podi Nibi. Kokui, you can't continue with this tomfoolery. You can't.
Oh, insults, huh? Thank you.
Oh, I feel my guts out here, and all you can do is insult and laugh at me. Someone's emotions. You think this is a joke?
Join the conversation today. Like, comment, and share.
Right on here.
Lovely. No, it's fine. I'll just take it here. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Lovely. I like the sound of that.
Okay, so draft MOU to cover the next phase of our engagement.
Thank you very much.
I will send you e-copies as well. And we're sure we could execute this within 3 weeks.
Wow. Focused. Focused just like a laser beam. Now that is why I like you.
Why don't you pour over the forms and we'll meet again next week?
Perfect. Sounds like a plan.
Are you all right?
Perfect.
Okay.
It's just my awesome.
Shall we?
Sure.
I'll see you.
The bouncers.
Oh, hello, Kofi.
George? George Bansa?
Yes,
George Bansa, so you're in this country?
I am.
Wow. Why are you acting like you don't know me?
I'm sorry, who are you?
Wow.
Kokui, we were just about to see the bouncers off. We'll be with you in a very short.
Hi. My name is Lydia. I can't help but ask, how do you know my husband, George?
I'm sorry, but why don't you ask him? If he's man enough, he will tell you.
Why, Minister, you're always embarrassing me. I don't understand.
This is becoming a circus. My sixth sense says catch this link. The business prospect looks good though. Imagine the multiplier effect of $300,000.
So is this why you made us come back here?
I don't get you.
Don't get cute with me, you little rat. You came back here for the girls.
Come on, Lydia, you can't be serious.
When am I never serious? I will show you what serious is when I cut back your finances.
Baby, pipe down.
Who the hell should pipe down, George? Who should pipe down? George, who should pipe down?
So why did you even insist on us partnering with them if you didn't like the idea in the first place? I'm confused.
You confused. Are you aware two can play that game? How do you expect me to trust you after it took you so long to tell me the truth? Cut the crap out, you waste man, bamba clap. Now drive.
One of the many reasons I love coming here. You're always welcome.
But you know, Kokui, I thought you were a trifle hostile towards our clients earlier on, though.
I know. And I'm so sorry, Amma. I had no business confronting him like that. Especially since I allowed him to use me.
Use you? How?
It happened about 5 or 6 years ago. We dated briefly.
You dated?
About 6 months thereabout. And then he had to travel.
Don't leave me here all alone.
Definitely. You know you're my #1 priority.
He didn't even send a postcard. It was as if he fell off the surface of the planet. And I was pregnant.
Pregnant?
Are you certain you want to do this?
And he didn't even make you out?
So now you see why I was that livid upon seeing him.
I'm sorry, does he know? Did you have the baby?
How would he know? When he cut off all forms of communication with me. And about his son, yes, I kept him. He lives with my mother.
A son? Oh, well, I guess that's life. You meet the good, the bad, and the ugly. Kokui, I'm so sorry this happened to you.
It's fine. It's all water under the bridge now. And like you said, it's life. Anyway, let's get back to something more exciting, shall we?
Yeah.
You look well. You look positively glowing. You look like you're living the best part of this life, Amma. What's the secret?
Our vacation was uber relaxing. I feel revitalized for
Oh,
work.
don't tease me, Amma. Please tell me all about it.
Buy me lunch sometime and I just may.
Okay, I will. Anyway, back to why I'm here. These are the accessories I was telling you about. I would like us to add it to the page. And my new brand of perfume. I would like us to put it on the website as well. Yes. You should smell it. It smells divine. What I need right now is a strong advertising campaign to push it. You should smell it. It smells divine. And oh, I have a new corporate Momo number now. I would like us to put... Oh, I'm so sorry. Are you okay?
No, it's not your fault. You know what? Just leave the bottle. I'll put together an effective marketing plan for you, okay?
But I can't leave you like this. Was it something you ate? You're still rubbing your tummy.
Kokui, you don't let up. It's the little one.
Little one?
You're pregnant! Oh my God! Amma, that's wonderful news! Congratulations! Thank you.
I'm sure Kofi must be on top of this world.
You have no idea.
Oh, Amma, congrats!